we're going to take a beautiful movie of you getting your ladybug face, okay? That way you can watch it later and that'll be fun. Okay? Okay. So let's get some red. Alright, babe. So I'm just going to draw, it's going to feel like kind of like 2 circles.
I'll put it right here. Yeah, right here. They just followed it, so.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Here comes our beautiful girl. Here she comes. Can you softly close?
Close your eyes.
Other side, precious. Try it. Now the Echo people, they're so nice. They said that it was safe to put a little bit of sparkles on your face, okay? So close eyes. I said I didn't want to put it on your arms though because I don't want you to get your arms in the little animal pools and have the animals eat any, right? You want to see it so far? So far. I usually put like 10 million times more glitter, but we're at Echo, so I don't want to. This is already a lot, right? For the little animals, we don't want them to get any in there because we love them, right? We want to keep them very safe, right?
Yeah. I don't have an animal pool.
But upstairs, when you kids walk around, there's I think it's called an exploration pool, and you can stick your hands in there, and there's water, and there's some little things in there that you can pick up, and I think there's a starfish in there, and we don't want to feed him sparkles because we love him, right? We need to keep him safe. Close your eyes for me, bunny. As soon as your eyeshadow's on, I'm gonna dry it, honey. So just don't open. Eyes gently shut. Both eyes shut. Good girl. Don't open. Let me dry it. That's a skill to be able to open one eye. Here, close both eyes though, because it'll make your eyes nice and flat for the makeup. Good girl.
They won't have little circles.
Oop, yeah, you gotta have your circles. Oh, how pretty! And now see so far.
Okay.
Time for your circles. Here, I'm gonna do the little bits here. Oh, this is such a great one to get when you're at Echo, right? Any little creatures, right?
Wonder Woman isn't a creature.
What?
Elsa.
Yeah, Elsa's not a creature, but you know what? Elsa is so awesome that, of course, she loves to be here, right?
She loves to. Can I see my face for a minute?
Sneak peek.
Shake your sillies out.
Now you're gonna have a little. Thank you.
I'm getting a ladybug.
Now I'm gonna do a little face on your ladybug.
Shake your sails out.
Okay, here comes your little ladybug's face. Cute.
Can I see it from?
You need lipstick for your portraits. You're gonna go straight with the red, right? Because you're ladybug, right? You go close mouth. You want to go wiggle, don't you? You want to go dance, don't you? No? Are they dancing over there?